Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the T23 token. Now the T23 token just got listed today on CoinMarketCap. T23 is the name of the token. That's also the ticker symbol. It stands for token 2023 because we're going into the new year right now. It's actually up 86.82% right now, doing very well since it got listed here on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, like I said, they just got listed on CoinMarketCap, and on CoinMarketCap, you can find their official webpage, T23.info, their BSC scan, their Medium articles, Twitter, Telegram, GitHub, full white paper, price chart, contract address. All of that is available on CoinMarketCap. Now, this is a Binance Smart Chain token, so basically if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You'd go into the dApps, you would find PancakeSwap, and then you would trade your BSC for the T23 token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, or you could find it on their BSC scan, which is listed on CoinMarketCap as well. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. According to their BSC scan, right now they have 10,460 holders, 13,722 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply here of a lot of tokens. It's a million, billion, trillion, 1 quadrillion tokens. So if you want to find more info, you can check out their full white paper or their webpage. So T23 is a game that enables players to earn coins, participate in various events, and have fun while doing it. By leveraging the transparency and security of a decentralized blockchain, players can enjoy unlimited earning potential through community involvement. The integration of blockchain technology in gaming is expected to attract a large number of new users to the cryptocurrency space, creating new job opportunities and driving up the adoption rate of crypto. In addition, it has the potential to provide significant financial benefits for investors. They have play to earn. So T23 game is a festive game for coin collectors as players compete to collect as many coins as possible. They'll get into the holiday spirit. T23 holders will get an early taste of the game's enjoyment. NFT holders can use their characters in the play-to-earn game and win festive rewards, including T23 tokens and valuable assets. With the magic of the season in the air, this game is sure to spread cheer and good fortune. Christmas is over, though, so let's, it kind of, I don't know, festive, I guess New Year's could be festive. So it says they have a full CERTIC audit on here, which is great to see. They also have tons of socials here on their white paper, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, Medium articles. It's great they have a full CERTIC audit. Token information is on here, but we just went over that on their BSC scan. So you can find the contract address also on their white paper. So the tokenomics here, very tiny, very, very tiny print. It's play to earn. Let's see if there actually is their larger print on their webpage, because that's a little bit insane. They probably have more information too on their Medium articles. So yeah, you can also buy this token off of a central exchange called P2B. If you know about that exchange, you could check it out on there. Now, let's see here. So yeah, here we go. Play to earn. So T23 is a festive game for coin collectors. As players compete to collect as many coins as possible, they'll get into the holiday spirit. T23 holders will get an early taste of the game's enjoyment. They can use their tokens to play to earn to... Okay, so they're kind of repeating what they said earlier. Alright, so yeah, it allows players to earn rewards like in-game items and currency through gameplay and participation. This model adds incentive and value to the game and can allow players to earn real-world value. Then they also have swap technology. It says T23 swap will allow users to seamlessly exchange one asset for another within the platform. This technology ensures that the users have access to a wide range of options and can easily make the trades they need. Zero tax, so I guess you won't have to set slippage if you are going to buy this off PancakeSwap. It says zero tax fees when buying or selling through decentralized exchanges. This feature is important to help every investor, large and small, be a part of our future. And lastly, NFT lineup. The integration of NFTs into the game allows players to own their unique virtual assets. The use of NFTs can add a level of collectability and trading to a game, enabling players to buy, sell, and trade their virtual items with others. So their roadmap here, they started with website launch, marketing campaigns, token created, listing on a decentralized exchange, then 20,000 members, listing on P2B. Then they got their full CERTIC audit, which is, you could see the link to it on their webpage. Then they did their T23 swap hub. So all that's done so far, and what's coming up next in the future is going to be media coverage, NFT lineup, play-to-earn game release, game implementation, airdrop campaigns, T23 social, burn events, and iOS and Android launch. So they show you how to buy. There's a little video on here that you can get it off 3 different places, PancakeSwap, P2B, or you can get it off their own T23 swap. Now, they've been seen in different media outlets, CoinMooner, Rug-Free Coins, Coin Catapult. They have different partners on here as well. Digital Journal, Yahoo Finance, Benzinga, CoinsGods, MarketWatch, CN Token, Coin Discovery, CoinXHigh. So much on here. Coin Bazooka, Coin Alpha, CoinScope, Coin Moonhunt, GemFinder, Coin Sniper, Nomics, PooCoin, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, BSC Scan, PancakeSwap, and CERTIC. At the bottom of the page, it says play game coming soon, game teaser, so you can check out the teaser, full white paper, CERTIC audit, and contact email in case you need some help or support with whatever you're doing. You can contact them. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.